My name is Cody Carroll. I'm from Louisiana and I'm a chef. I have a restaurant called Hot Tails in Baton Rouge. So food means everything. Growing up, honestly, when I would wake up, before I would poop, I would start making a roux. And it would progress into a gumbo, a stew, and go from there. And everyone loved that pot of food as a child. And it's not storytelling, it's almost just a way of life. And I don't want to start crying now, but food just means so much to me. It just is. It's the foundation of happiness. It is emotional because every memory we have as a child is through food. I mean, everything. I mean, any gathering, any bickering is not through food. Any gathering is through food. So it's like the family can fight and then we cook and all the family comes back together. And then we'll figure it out after dinner. But that true gathering is through food. And everybody's going to agree. Mammal's macaroni is the best macaroni of all time. And everybody agrees. We can all bitch about it later, but at that moment in time, that is the thing that brings everyone together. It's always food. It overrides politics. It overrides countries. It overrides conflicts. When you cook a good meal, everyone comes together and enjoys that meal at the same time and as one. And that's how it's supposed to be.